Hello guys and everyone else, and welcome back to another episode of Alpha Simulation. I know that I haven't posted any video recently because I was very busy in finish my simulator and opening the business for the public really. If you want to know a little bit about, just go to my website. There is now active online, alphasimulation.co.uk. But I'm not here to promote my business. Actually, I'm here to tell you something that happened a couple of days ago that I'm excited about to share with you. I had the privilege to have two real pilots from 737-800 NG, and one of these is actually captain also for the 777 and the 787, and they are also both instructor. Anyway, wealth of experience with both of them, and they came here to visit me and to try the simulator. They wanted to test the simulator, how close to reality is, we set up a simple flight, just something was not long, was Munich in Germany to Milan Linate. Whatever you see, I was in the jump seat and I tried to record as much as possible. Of course, I couldn't do the video too long, but I tried to record the most important part, the preparation, the takeoff, during the flight, the descent and the landing, and everything you see has not been edited in any way, just to show you that everything was perfect. We did have a couple of small issues during the flight. I don't want to tell you too much about it, but everything you see and you hear from both them is exactly what happened during the testing. So I was asking some feedback. They were very honest with me, so I would like to extend my big thanks to Alan and Martin. Thank you so much guys for making my day, and I was so happy to share the experience with you. And now I would like to share the experience with all of you that you've been following me through these years. Finally we can see how good the simulator really is. We had a captain and a pilot testing my simulator from beginning until the end, gate to gate, from cold and dark cockpit to the final shutdown, and also a little bit of fooling around, playing the sim around New York, just to see a little bit of scenery. Anyway, without further ado,
that one was later.
That is, yeah.
This one was good.
Normal, both all on. That's it.
These come on already.
Yeah.
This one stays off.
For now, yeah.
This one we don't need.
They're all off.
This one with pushback is good.
Some operators will have you do the cockpit voice recorder test, but it's usually maintenance function. Check they're intact.
This is just what you're seeing as a temperature,
Yeah,
isn't it?
it's probably just select
Supply.
forward passenger cabin, because that's us.
Trimmer, fine.
Yeah, lead everything is auto.
Fine.
They go auto, both auto.
This one. Well, with APU.
Well, actually now you can do the fire test, and then we can start the APU. So
yes, we'll remember that.
fire test. So faulting up first. We should have. Hang on. Start again. Do it again.
Yep.
Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Do it again. Do it again.
Yeah.
Yeah. Good. Cancel. Keep it on. Cancel. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And on the max, 12, 13, because they light up as well.
They light up, yes?
Yeah. 1 and then 2.
Oh, I remember that
start
one.
the APU.
I know everything works.
Yeah.
You gotta see that one rising, isn't it?
Yeah.
You gotta see the battery.
You can select the APU gen on the AC and the battery,
exactly.
so you're looking for a discharge on the battery.
Yeah.
Well, we're not. We've got our ground powers on. So there you go. EQT's
Okay, so
rising, and we're waiting for that.
Yeah, I remember that.
Still got it.
Yeah,
You still got it.
And then I remember this APU bleed on.
did you guys fly
Yeah,
together
yeah.
before?
Well, only in work. Yeah, like our work,
Our
simulator
work,
stuff.
Ah, in the simulator, not in the
never-
okay.
Never flown together. Okay, EQT should drop back to about 450, and then the general flight should come on. Go. There it is. AP on the buff, please.
Both, huh?
Yeah. 1 and then 2. So the way that works, you do 1, and the source off light comes on here because it is the ground power is now on. So we could give a shout downstairs. Hello, ground. Yeah, finish with ground power. Thank you. Click, and then they take the ground power.
We can take off the ground power from.
Oh, we can do that. That's very good. That's
And soon it will disappear. It will disappear. So
What do
you want auto, open,
and
auto. That's it. Good.
Right, so we're going to 18.
No. I put in what did I put in?
29.
I put in 30 and 29.
And the elevation was in Linates 400.
400 and
Something. 35.
Oh, well, you brought that with you.
Auto, that's fine. That's
Yeah,
fine.
that's all
Right.
good. So you come over and start working your way along here. So we don't
Nothing,
need any of those.
nothing.
No, that's already on.
That's good.
Normally leave that right for the first flight of the day. Good. Steady and all.
okay, ground power is off.
It's going to
Great,
dual
yeah,
bleed.
that's gone.
Dual bleed's normal?
Dual bleed's normal because that's the
Dual bleed, yeah.
APU and the engine one, but the engine is off. So that's
You can do
the
the testing on the screen.
Yeah, now you got to bring this. Now you got to come down here. So you set up your MCP here. You set up your outbound course, and you put your flight director on.
Right,
Meanwhile, I do the light test. Oh, let's do the light test.
Christmas.
It's just perfect. You got to really sort
very
of
small point, but in the airplane, all the digital displays flash when
the flash.
But, I mean,
Alright, I wonder
so
if I can if I can change the flag. I'm writing down all this because
Okay,
in the software you can do so many changes.
What have you got as a QNH, Roberto? Must be around 100.
Okay. Tune that one. What's the waypoint? I've got DM049. Yep. Then DM050.
Yep.
And then 142 to OTT.
Yep.
158 to Turbo.
Yep.
And the only restriction is 1900 above at DM049.
Correct.
Great. 210, 250 around the corner.
Mm-hmm.
That'll do us good. I'll take it.
That's an early turn, eh? 1.7.
Yeah, right on the right at the end of the runway.
Yeah.
Okay, so we just have this issue with the speeds at the moment.
Right, so that's done.
So you don't know
I'll
I'll do it.
So start the valve. Is there no ignition? in
Start
there?
valves, no, it's all
I
automatic.
can't remember now.
Yeah. There's these
That's amazing.
that I cut out.
That
It makes the
works.
same noise.
The same noise,
It's
yeah.
amazing. Okay, just keep a lookout. So we're looking for that start limit to
Is your
disappear.
dispatcher now? She's still there?
Yeah, he's on a little stroll, but the push.
Oh no, she's on your there at 9 o'clock.
Yeah, it's just standing there
It's that
and
one there. Can you see
doing
it?
nothing.
Another one.
Yeah, yeah. So good start number 2. Start number 1.
Right, ready? Another one?
Ready. Sorry, clear left. Apart from the Cessna.
Yeah, and a person.
Okay.
You can hear a little bit the engine.
Oh yeah, I can turn that. You can't hear a lot from in here.
Yeah, that's why I reduce. I want to make it more
Yeah.
realistic.
23, 24, 25. Okay, fuel flow. EGT. Oil pressure. N1. Oh, what? The split.
Yeah, I don't know what's going on there.
Through the signal. Oh no.
That's not my job. Yeah, that's the simulator. Dispatch everywhere, passing through the Cessna. We have a Cessna, which is strange to have a Cessna parked next to the
engine like that.
engine
We
gate.
are-
Oh, that's the plane that you like, also the one
We're gonna take it out.
next to the big engine.
Oh, well, no,
The
what's
one that
that?
you flew, the PC-12.
Yeah, that's it. Okay, 2 good starts. I'll start scan. I'll start flow. Good.
Right, that's a flow. I have no idea. So these ones.
So
These,
you're gonna the pump's already on. So APU. So the Jennies go on the buses. 1,
You check
2.
them.
That's it. And then check the buses are on.
Very good.
Peter probes. That's it. Reset.
Don't need.
No, we don't need that. They're all on. Reset
Yeah.
packs are on. Auto. APU bleed off.
I remember that one. Off.
No.
APU.
APU off. Star switch is continuous.
You do already?
Yep, both star switches. That's your ignition.
You
There
switch
you
the
go.
ignition already? You leave
No,
it
no,
like-
leave that exactly where it is.
The taxi light on, right?
Yeah, when we're ready. No. Get rid of the engine instruments. Fantastic. Transponder to out report to transponder. There you go. And I look across. I say, there's the man with the pin.
Alright, that's in.
Select flaps 5.
Selected.
Oh, great.
It is
Yeah, 1 to 2, 0 to 2 is quite slow, and then it gets fast.
Yeah, it's an old plane. It takes a
flat
while.
transit. Look at this. Look up here. Look.
Sure,
Look at
you
the
can
transit
always-
lights on. That's really cool.
I think
Clear. Flight control
Yeah,
check.
no.
One.
Up on,
I think there is a plane passing by close by. I can hear.
up on the right.
I've got tiller, left rudder, center, right rudder. Center.
Oh, what's going on? What's going on? What's going
I
on?
must have touched something with the rudder. It's okay. We're
Alright.
back. We're back. For taxi check.
This is Ryanair. enough.
Yeah, do it actually list.
No, but it's good. It's good because you push all the way down. I never push all the way. So maybe it's touching a wire that makes a little bit.
Maybe. Sorry, it's just so realistic. It makes
You.
Generate switches.
No, but that's a good. So in the real plane, you actually push quite hard. You're very hard on the control then.
My door pumps are on. Readout panels checking set. Stereo is on. APU is.
Oh yeah, sorry. No, when we get taxi clear.
Exactly.
APU's off.
Master coordination system.
Yep, recall.
All
Checked.
good. Your flaps.
5, 5, 5, green light.
Transponder.
Set.
CA and well, you got the.
So it should be no, it shouldn't be TARA yet. It should be transponder to we're on the runway.
Cool. Weather radar. We don't need
Not
it.
required.
Flight controls.
Checked.
Free and clear. Alright, that's a B for taxi checklist complete.
Really cool. Taxi.
So the next one would be on this one, huh? Is this checklist?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah. Yeah, with a V2 in there, 146.
That's what we got. Yeah.
I'm on the jump seat.
Yes. You're strapped in.
Yes, I'm.
Yeah, that was strapped in.
Let's
Right,
give
so
one
that's,
final.
Oh yeah, let the crew know.
Oh yeah,
Very
I
good,
was so
very good.
proud of my first announcement, you know.
Oh yeah, go on.
No,
Oh,
it's
that's the wrong one.
Cover crew seats. for
it's this one.
Exactly.
But hopefully it works because today.
And there's always hot wire to PA, wasn't it?
No. You can just talk.
So
here.
always use that.
Exactly, which was always hot wire to the PA.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah,
That's
yeah.
why.
'Cause
Otherwise, you leave it on there and then you do a
Yeah.
Exactly.
do your first
exactly.
radio call.
Cabin crew, take a seat for takeoff.
Beautiful.
Excellent.
I'll put it.
I can't find it.
Right.
All right.
So complete down to the line.
Good. Ever having it on the 737?
Look at the windsurf moving.
What the wind?
Yeah, it's probably moving. Right. So. Boeing 737 clear for takeoff. Wind. What's the wind?
260 at 15. I'll put in
That
there.
looks pretty good, yeah.
Yeah,
260.
260 at 10. Yeah,
Alright.
that's fine.
Okay, so we clear for takeoff. So let me just get some lights on.
Yeah.
Good. Switch light. I can't remember here.
Yeah, just
Right.
put all those lights on. That's
No, the strobe needs to go up. The strobe. Yeah,
Strobe
all the way
way
up.
That's it. Good. All right, ready?
Right, so start switches on.
On.
Transponder is
Ta-ra.
on.
Use up a lot,
Go.
haven't we?
Yes, go
Okay.
for
Take off. Stabilize. Take off. Oh, to throttle.
So
Set thrust.
thrust is set. Airspeed line low.
Oh, that's an interesting sound.
80 knots.
Checked. This feels really weird.
It feels good. This one is really. V1. Rotate.
Oh, traffic on takeoff. No, you're talking.
Was it clear?
Gear up. Slightly leg. Okay, on that screen.
Yes. You get the
Clean
gear up.
Checked.
VNAV speed and so 166.
Ooh, it's quite sensitive. There you go. Got it. We're on.
Flap it up speed now.
Yep. Flaps 1.
Detect flap 1 selected. Flap 1 indicator.
Check. Flaps up.
Detect flaps up. Now should be the left turn coming up.
There it goes.
There was a max speed in this one, 210.
210.
Yep.
Let's leave it at 210 then.
That's a nice view.
Flaps are up.
Good. I'll take a check.
Okay, you want to go center? This is the level.
Is it climb to level?
It's the level, yeah.
Right, level 70. Yeah, it's set standard.
Sunset passing 50. Now
Cross checked. And I'll take a check now.
air conditioning and pressurization is checked. Start switches didn't go off.
Yep. Oh, careful. Yeah, don't get take it too far.
And now there goes. The landing gear up, the gear go off.
Oh, well done. There's no, the Max doesn't do that.
No?
No.
Okay. 1000 gear in. So 80 command. There is a direct between climb flight level 150.
150. Oh, wow, that's low. 150 and
So speed limit was until 050.
check 250 knots.
250 to up and mode. Right, so flaps up, no right. Yes, after takeoff check is complete. It's
wow.
descending.
Not sure why. Clean that out.
If you want the Allen, if you don't want it, then no. Eh?
Oh.
There's engine failure.
Engine, right, you have control.
I have control.
Why? Why we have engine failure?
So we've just, it doesn't look like a failure, it's a rollback. We've still
Rollback,
got fuel flow, we've still got N2.
Okay, I'm losing a bit of speed.
Oh,
This is a realistic as it gets.
Alright, check, so disengage
Right.
auto throttle.
Yes, so that is disengaged.
Oh, this is
Do
weird.
again,
It never
just clear
happened.
the buttons.
Okay.
Alright, so your thrust levers,
Yes, I need to increase thrust on the right engine.
you try moving the thrust on the affected engine.
It is reacting.
Okay, so we have got some response.
It doesn't show anything on the instruction station in terms of failure.
Oh,
So,
okay.
And that's
Alright, hang on.
right.
So parameters.
oh, this is realistic, guys.
Okay,
Alright,
just
now it's
equal.
engaged.
Try re-engaging your throttle, ready?
Hang on. Yeah, okay. First, yeah, go for it.
Okay. FMC speed.
No.
Okay. So that was uncommanded thrust.
Yep.
So we would discuss the possibility of it
Of it happening
occurring,
again.
possibly shutting the engine down. We're over the Alps. We're only at flight level 200, so we are quite low. So I recommend we just monitor and continue. Happy?
Happy.
Great.
Have you got any QRHs, Alberto?
Any what, sorry?
The QRH, the emergency checklist.
Yes, I have it here digitally. Hold on. Okay, so go
Good.
ahead.
So it's RMP runway 35 via Luzil. That's what we're going to fly. I've checked the profile lateral and vertical in the FMC. We'll be coming in via Codogno, so I'll pick it up from here on the briefing. Codogno initial approach fix 400.5. We've flown in LNAV using the FMS navigation, but I have Codogno set on both ADFs. I've got Linate set on both nav boxes, just so we can orientate from there.
Yep.
But the routing is via Codogno. It's 3,000 feet minimum. They want us 5,000 at Codogno into initial fix, and then turn inbound for the final approach. There's a step here to 3,000 to 2,500. With this equipment, we need to be at 2,500 before the initial approach fix, before the final approach fix. So we'll take the 3,000, we'll descend to 2,500. Then we want to see either out hold, enunciated, or VNAV path.
Okay.
If we VNAV out, as soon as we change the altitude, it'll switch to VNAV path and it'll fly down. So modes of the approach: LNAV, VNAV path. Top of drops, it might leave a 702. I've got it on the fixed page. I'll put a 2 mile ring around it, so 2 miles from the final approach fix. So gear down, flaps 15, we set the NDA, and that's it really. Just work your way across. Not yet. So we've got to set the NDA on this one in Reno path.
Okay.
But once it's descending, set the missed approach. So we're coming down to minimum 750 for catch C, set for a landing or missed approach. If we land, it's fine. I've set auto brakes 2, flaps 30 for the approach, and we'll make the landing exit at whatever, I've forgotten the name of it.
The flat 30 landing.
Yeah, flat 30 landing, and we'll roll to golf.
Okay.
For the go around, missed approach. So in the event of missed approach, I'll call go around, flaps 15. You set flaps 15. I'll push toga. It's manually flown, so autopilot will disconnect. It's not already. Positive rate, gear up, and then I'll select. I'll fly it in toga initially. Level change, flaps up, and then climb to missed approach altitude of 3,000 feet. It's initially straight ahead, high terrain at the top. We want to take a right turn to displace 2 cars or radar vectors, so whichever one applies.
It's all in the box.
It is all in the box.
704 and then 2
Yep,
cars.
intercept and then 2 cars. There's a hole published of 2 cars, but we're trying to avoid going in the hole if possible. Just watch the speed, max 210, so we'll go up to up speed and then just hold it at 210.
Okay.
Would you like to review that, or do you have any
No,
questions now?
No questions yet, no?
Marvellous, in that case. Until I'm done, is the approach speed still got it. So we're going to take flaps 30, 145, VREF 3145 enunciated. Great.
Threats?
Alright, we have terrain on the way in, so we are quite low level. We had that rollback with the engine, so we've got potential threat of potentially losing an engine.
Okay.
So do what you did, add thrust, and then we'll do if it happens again, we'll shut the engine down. What do you reckon?
Yep, that's right.
Yeah.
Our threat is unfamiliar.
New equipment. New equipment.
The 5 fast, 145 on final.
Yeah, it'll feel quite fast. The key thing is if we want to be flat 5, 180 knots, intercepting the final approach track. We want to be down at 2,500 feet, and then 2 miles before we want to be gear down, flaps 15, and set the NDA and just check. We've got the autopilot, NDA, VNAV and LNAV, and the speed window is open. Okay. All right, good. No, it's coming back to 240 below 10, so that's our speed restriction here. This is exactly as the airplane flies. Very good.
Perfect. I'm glad.
So now you see that green, the range arc, altitude range arc is now gone because it's changing speed.
So
But
we
when it
already
comes
started
back,
descent.
we expect to see 5,000 bar on there.
We are now approaching 10,000.
Okay, so coming up to flight 100, lights on, belts on, and give them 10 minutes to land.
Inwards, turn-offs,
And PAQ.
Got good, 10 minutes landing.
10 minutes to landing.
Look at that.
Carbon crew, 10 minutes to landing.
This is very accurate. Yeah. Okay, drag
required.
required. Well, not
Yeah.
today. I'm not that kind of guy. Joe Williams is going.
Speed brake is for air traffic control.
It's above 250, so
hours, isn't it?
Yeah. It's because still trying to make the path, so probably do need that.
Alan, actually, the 240, right, that you mentioned before, but
Yeah.
the restriction is 250 under 10,000,
Correct.
right?
And then in America, they like to do 240 to
Right.
give you 10 knots.
Just
so
together, okay.
It defaults to 10 knots below the limit.
And when you put the VREF on the approach, you add the 5 knots for the wind curve? No,
We set the VREF and then we will set the speed to VREF plus 5.
plus 5, okay.
Depending on the
with
wind.
no wind. Yeah.
Alright.
If it's gusting, you
Yeah.
do a half the gust.
Half the headwind plus the gust.
Yeah.
So if the headwind is 8 knots and it's gusting
Right.
15, then we'd add a maximum of 15 knots on. So that'd be 4 for the 8 plus the 7 for the gust.
On every approach?
Every approach. Yeah, that was the
Oh, you work for British Airways?
Yeah.
Ah, nice. nice.
You know, a monitor approach is that the other pilot does approach,
And then you
and
hand
the
over.
landing is done by the other guy.
Yeah, you hand over the landing. It was a good idea for things like low bids, but for everybody, it seems so weird when I went there for an EasyJet. You just get used to it. Right, with anything. Alright, how's it looking?
Right, so all checklist is good. Next checklist is landing checklist.
Brilliant.
You got flat 5.
Yeah, flat 518, that's all good. And look, we're on the glide path,
Excellent.
glide slope, and runway ahead.
We're getting the tower 81. So problems we have clear land.
Clear for the approach.
Wind.
Okay, I'm going to set MDA, so that's going to be 800 feet. And we'll take gear down, flaps 15. Gear down.
15.
Oh, this is quite lively, this MCP.
Gear down 3 green, flat 15 set.
So MDA set, I've got autopilot, MDA, LNAV, VNAV, speed window open, auto throttle arms. And FMC speed VNAV path.
Right, we are clear land, winch down. See them?
Yeah, it's slightly weirdly offset.
Yeah.
It's offset
It's
there.
like
Okay.
a crosswind. But
Yeah.
it feels like crosswind is from the right, but it's actually from the left.
Yeah.
So that's a little bit.
Yeah. That's slightly confusing. Let's see how much fun I can do with this now. I can't see any patches.
Are the runway lights on available?
Yeah, they should be there. Maybe appears after.
Okay, disengaging.
1,000 feet.
Look at the view is beautiful, man.
Oh, this isn't in my way. Yeah, there you go. That's good.
Oh.
Not now.
No, now. that's
Come on.
that's the software, guys. Sorry.
Give me a chance.
Approaching minimum.
Check.
Silence. Love the water.
Minimums.
Continue.
Check.
Okay. Ooh, reroute.
400.
Sensitive, isn't it?
Oh, it is.
Oh,
yeah,
right.
sorry.
This is what I said.
Let me
The pilot-
just-
Over-induce.
The
Calm
pilot
down.
induced installation, yeah.
Calm
Okay, I need to
200.
reduce the sensitivity there as well. Good feedback. It's perfect though. Love it.
100. Light slope.
Okay. Understood.
50, 40, 30, 20,
Really?
10.
Well, that sounds a bit wild.
Okay, speed brakes alive.
We got 2 reverses. 110, 100.
Whoa. Okay, I'm disengaging auto brake. I'll just roll.
Out of brake disarm.
Remaining 900 meters. Remaining.
Oh, sounds like we're in a tractor.
70 knots.
Okay, brake.
100 meters. Remaining.
Okay, for the nuts you can manual brake here.
That's it.
Uh,
And after landing.
What is this? Flaps right?
Yeah, flaps up. Just work your way all the way up. So it's auto brake. That's it.
Flight brake is on.
Flight director.
Stop.
Sorry, not flight director. It's weather radar. Leave flight director's on for now.
Okay.
Yeah.
Strokes go off.
That's it.
Nice.
And start the APU.
On. APU. APU starting.
So Alan, I noticed as soon as you touch, the speed brake actually
Yeah.
went up. So yeah.
Yeah.
But when you did the reverse speed,
Yeah.
did you feel a little bit resistance there, right?
It's exactly how
It's
it
exactly
should.
so sure, right?
You pull up to the interlock, you wait,
And then you pull up again.
pull.
Yeah, that's the things.
This could feel so.
I can't get on how good these graphics are.
But what I think
She's a bit busy there. Let's take it next to those.
yeah, next time we'll try the ATCs. Will give us a parking gate and because there is.
You got a marshal next
Oh,
to
no,
this,
Marshall. Oh, there's another Cessna looking for trouble.
And it feels right.
Looks like the GA bit.
Actually, GA is actually the
Yeah. Oh, it's
Right, quick turn on.
AP
Okay,
is on.
parking
AP
brake.
on the bus.
Hey, beautiful.
And
Shutdown procedure.
shut
Well,
down.
let's do, we want to show you something else. We're not.
Yeah. Well, unless you want to see the full shutdown. You want to
No,
see
no, I don't know. It doesn't matter. You guys want to do some emergency, whatever. It's up to you. Or if you just want to fly around the city and.
Exactly, I wanna see it.
Yeah.
I want to
Do
see
a
it
little bit of that.
more.
All right, we'll leave it all on.
Okay.
Take us somewhere else.
But yeah, we can move somewhere else. Take us to La Guardia.
La Guardia, New York. Okay.
We'll give you your.
So we are in La Guardia. We're going around New York.
3,
I'll just give you some
on
speed.
runway.
Full thrust.
3,
Yeah. Happy with that. Flaps 5. That's all set. We'll take. Let's go 136.
There's a beautiful reflection on the water. You're gonna see New York by sunrise, sunset. Sorry, this is sunset in America.
So should we take it up and head it?
Take on heading.
Yeah.
That's
You
right.
got- you got-
You got it? And then alarms when you know. it's
on
on.
runway.
There you go,
1,
that works.
3, on runway.
So you got speeds,
1,
flaps,
3.
that's no minimums, 10, 14, TCAS, and
So you just create your own waypoints, basically.
yeah, well we'll just fly
We're
visually.
gonna fly in
Yeah.
there. Heading and then we turn right. Right, people take a check.
Okay, if I can find it, there we go. Right, so recall, excellent. Flight controls,
On runway. 1,
Check.
3,
okay,
on
flaps,
runway. 1,
5 set.
3,
5 green lights, stab trim. Close enough, 4.6.
Yep.
Good. Cockpit doors locked, takeoff briefing, not required. So, clear for takeoff.
Right.
Start switches
Right.
on, transponder on, clear for takeoff.
Okay, so fire make it off. Ready?
Check.
Right, so rolling takeoff initially.
Good. Start the clock.
Always weird.
You just got to get that offset.
Yeah, I'm just gonna keep it offset.
Good. It's quite a short runway, so you want to get going. Alright, N1 Toga.
Alan, did you fly to La Guardia?
Not in this.
real?
Not in this aeroplane.
No, but in real, did you?
No, I always went to JFK.
Ah, JFK.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, N1 speeds alive. 80 knots.
Check.
So you can enjoy the view now that you are no taking off, Alan.
Yeah, no, it's still got to concentrate. That's it, you got it, you got it. Just watch the PIOs. B1, rotate.
No, this is very difficult.
It's over 70
Positive rate.
down.
Oh,
Zero.
yeah, follow it here, please. Right, so we're gonna go final change, or are you leaving it be now?
Leave it as it is, just be wary. Yeah. Okay, you got your head in.
That was really a Ryanair departure.
Okay, look to your right. Let's get into the
Let's
city.
keep it nice and low.
You should be able to see the skyscraper because we did it the other day and they are pretty visible.
Look at this scenery, the lighting.
Alright, let's go flat one.
Okay, sorry, speed check. Flat 1,
You can set 2,500 feet.
25, set.
The mesh the heading.
Yeah.
Wow.
And flaps.
Flaps up.
Up.
So hard, it's amazing.
Okay, I'll give you manual speed, right?
Look, there's even the baseball there.
Right, flaps are up.
Do you have the lights on, Martin, on top of you, the map light, so maybe you see better.
This is so cool. This is so good.
Look on the right, Alan, look on the right. The water, beautiful.
I'm looking at the city. I think that's just stunning. That's so
In the evening,
Man,
you
that
see the star.
Statue of Liberty.
In the evening, you see the star, and the star actually replicate the real star system.
Oh, that's great.
Is that the Statue of Liberty? The dark one there.
Wait, watch your helmet.
Yes.
Yeah, I'm just flying my
Oh,
nose.
okay.
Yeah,
Well,
no,
do you want the flight director on?
yeah.
Look at the you can see the Brooklyn Bridge somewhere, and
That's over there. Yeah, that's just behind them.
Oh, we're asking him off right now.
It's the Triborough Bridge.
Of course, because the graphic is too much now, it's starting to the frame per second is start to reduce because you're pretty low New York, but it was beautiful.
Oh, this looks nothing like our one, does it?
No.
Has it got the USS Intrepid?
Sometimes they do the carrier. They have the carrier and.
You see, right? Yeah.
Is the carrier there?
This is it.
Martin, Alan, do you think cadet pilot can use the simulator for training?
For procedure training, definitely. Yeah. So if you want, like, we just flew what is quite a complicated GPS-based approach into Milan just now, and it worked perfectly. So for training, for that sort of procedure training, this is great.
All right. I need to get some pilots then. Make the business go.
Now, for if you had somebody doing like instrument rating training or MCC training, very good for this.
What's NCC? Sorry.
MCC, so it's multi-crew certificate, and it is initial training for pilots transitioning from single-engine, simple or complex aircraft to multi-crew airplanes.
Ah, okay.
The detail of the statue.
Look at it, it's all lit up.
Yeah,
well,
go closer.
It's all lit up.
Yeah, in a 737 it's difficult.
Isn't that a gear horn?
It's the gear horn. It's because whenever you go low
Is there a
thrust,
silencer on this?
Here,
No, it
I
doesn't
think
work.
it's this one, right?
It shouldn't work because that's actually the gear. The gear
Yeah.
that wall.
Right,
The
yeah.
cutout doesn't work. It shouldn't work.
No, exactly.
What's the cutout for then? What's the alarm of the cutout for?
Well, it's a horn cutout. If there's certain modes where it activates where you can silence it, but that one you can't. That's for low level with.
I think I can go and select which one is gonna.
Okay.
So probably I can remove the. I told you there are.
It's useful when you're doing stuff like
Yeah,
this.
but there are.
Silent.
No, but you're right. I wanna make it realistic. So there is a gazillion option. They're still learning
okay.
myself to calibrate everything to. Anyway, this
I
is
think it
this
will
is
also be
great.
very good for pilots to prepare for interviews.
Yeah, if you have to do a sim check or
Mm,
something. Yeah,
mm.
yeah.
Well, you guys, I'll give you some business card, and you guys can give me like the words of mouth.
Alright, do you have any airports here close by?
There's Teterborough. Yeah,
Alright.
Teterborough. Oh, that's Newark. Let's go there. Newark's good.
Yeah, okay.
2 runways, 22.
Can you set me up for something?
Yeah, sure. Let's change destination. Sorry, I've got to do the long way around.
Wow, this is great. I feel like being trained by two professional pilots.
So, Newark, ILS.
And it makes me happy that you guys like the simulator. At least I've done something right.
A walk ride.
ILS 22 left, for our patron. There we go. Let's have a look where
Okay.
so, you got that?
Ah, it's the blue thing here in front of us is the airport.
Yeah, that's the airport. It's 2 runways, it's 22 left, 22 right. 22 left's the longest one. And I'll give you direct to patron. And better than that, I'll give you patron and hang on, 22. I'll give you 100 at 5. There we go.
Okay, I'm just turning on the left hand dial when you.
Direct to and I did not do it. In the event of missed approach, climb straight ahead 3,000 feet.
I've got this constant crosswind now.
It feels really strange with that offset,
The
but
offset is odd, yeah.
that's what you get.
I gotta sort out this
Alright, good.
offset.
So, yeah,
It's been
coming on
bothering
the
me
right,
since the
coming on
beginning the
left
offset.
side, 2 is 2 right, 1,000 feet stable and
2 left.
Because Alan is 3 projector making one image, and
Yeah.
the offset is really difficult to make a perfect.
but what it does give you is some depth perception.
Yeah,
and
perception,
that's
yeah.
actually really. It doesn't feel like you're just looking at a screen. It's very good.
Yeah, I agree with that.
Yeah.
It's almost like ours.
Yeah, it is. It's the same.
Minimums.
Okay, minimums.
Land. 15 years.
I don't know why we had minimums. Sorry, that's my fault.
No, that's fine, 15 years.
And the closer you get, the sooner it gets better.
500.
I see.
One thing that threw me was how quickly the
400.
countdown came. The 50, 40, 30.
You said a little bit higher,
Didn't
isn't it?
quite look correct. But... Right,
300.
perfect. On speed, on profile. Oh, you're on the glide, you got 3 reds. Your choice. Gav.
200.
Yeah.
This is Titiboro.
100.
Do you feel like you're leaning to the right?
Yeah, it's very tricky.
40. 30. 20.
Whoa.
It's easy.
Yeah.
Just hold it.
No, let's get out of here.
Alright, go around.
Go around, go around, go around.
Pause to right.
Here.
Toga, there you go, I'll give you a head in.
Yes, please.
Well, at least you can test the go around procedure as well.
I'll give you one for.
That was a very good call.
So about 5,000
Yeah,
feet.
so that's
Start
fine.
retracting.
Yep,
Flat
take
five.
flat 5. See how the speed bug moves up?
Oh, you can
Yeah.
see
That's
the
really good. That's exactly what you're supposed to
the
have.
sun.
That one? That's one. Oh, this is exactly what's supposed to happen. This is very, very good.
Okay. Now,
Good, I got that on camera.
Yeah, but 200 go around. That's very
Flaps
good.
up.
Flaps up. Decision. Alright, MCB speed, so auto throttle's re-engaged. 220 knots, that'll be you, isn't it? And flaps are up and along.
Whoa. I got into the pilot-induced oscillation
Yeah.
of the pace.
Yeah.
Yeah,
But for fun, this is great.
400.
Yeah.
yeah,
If
for
you want to
fun.
train, you just scale it down and then make it as smooth as you can.
Do you guys also have some macro starter sometimes?
No.
No, it goes for some. You scale down
Well,
the.
alright,
Yeah.
that's not good, is it? It's supposed to be on the glide path.
200.
I mean, I know it's a fake glide path, but for it still looks scary. It's just get this little bounce in the middle. That's it. It's like, I think you need a little. You do need a little.
Dead zone, okay.
50.
Yeah.
40. 30.
Okay.
20. 10.
Oh,
Looking good.
There we go.
oh, that was good. That was good. I thought we were gonna have
No.
our landing.
Do this. Out brake.
There's a prover.
Yeah, manual brake.
You got 100 knots.
See, I got used to the
I'll
pedals,
take the next size speed.
but I think you are piloting like a real plane,
Yeah,
and you're
exactly.
you're going.
Yeah, it's slightly offset to the right.
Okay, so I need to fix on the dead zone. Got it.
Cool.
So dead zone on the yokes and the
Yeah,
pedals.
so after landing. Newark. Oh, he used to come here all the time. So my bread and butter trips was Newark, and Chicago.
That must be nice to fly the 787, Alan. It's
Yeah, well,
it's
787
modern cockpit, and you know,
Oh, it's lovely. Very nice to fly as well because it's
larger
very
space.
harmonised controls.
Yeah,
It's quiet.
it's a lot of touch screen.
No touch screens at all.
Well, the
you had-
CDU is the
You had,
is
no, you had this touch screen. No, that was all done by these little.
okay, the CDU controller.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right, runway clear. I
Yep,
guess we're
clear
clear
across.
across. Yeah. These are quite. No, these weren't narrow. Can you imagine doing this 777 around these?
You would?
Yeah. Yeah.
Approaching. 2, right. Approaching. 2.
Did you also have the RAS system?
Yeah, the RAS.
The RAS.
Yeah. Might as well go over there by this building.
So Alan, you know, in big airport, when you taxi, I know that they give you the, like Alpha, Bravo, and so forth.
Yeah.
But did you get to a point where you got lost and like, okay, I got a wrong turn, and what do you do there? Can
No,
you
I
just
did-
continue,
no,
or?
No, luckily, the one place I actually got lost was Toronto, and the Canadians are really nice. But the place I dreaded getting lost was Chicago.
Oh,
Because they
were
eat
angry.
you like breakfast. They are so. Oh, just.
Have you though?
They
AP on bus.
they're very fast in talking.
Oh, but not just that, they're just very rude and they don't like you getting lost, and they put you in what they call the sin bin. They make you go and sit somewhere for 15 minutes
Just to punish you.
just to punish you for getting lost. And I'm like, sir, I will be on to you when I get a chance. And you call say, hello ma'am, it's Speedburn 666.
This one is Olympic.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. They're a long way out of town.
Oh, one thing.
See, the graphics are all just really tightened up there. You see that? It's like the frame rate came back. Right, so let's take that corner, that one there, the one facing us. Yeah.
And Alan, actually, one thing they removed to make it will look better. I have actually the real livery of all the real flights.
Yeah.
So if let's suppose you're at this airport and there is a Thai Airways, there is the
There's
party.
a vehicle coming at us.
You will see some Thai
Oh,
Airways.
they're all going. They're all going for us.
And a fuel truck.
Other fuel trucks going for us.
Look at that. One is stop, the other one
Who's
is
controlling
going.
this thing? Who's controlling it?
Well, that's New York for you.
Oh, you-
41 was great.
Tell you what,
So the
since
Turkish
COVID,
well?
everything's just gone crazy. Oh, hang on. Why are these?
Oh no, you need to put it down the.
Oh,
the
sorry, I've still got the reversers on.
Oh, come on, number one, you should
Look at the lights of the on your left. The lights, the reflection of the sun is beautiful on
Oh,
the.
that is great. I'm just scared of this. Is it clear?
It's a full
So
Let's follow me. We'll take it.
you can also ask the follow Marshall.
Can you get a follow me here?
Yeah, on the program there is a program. You can do refueling, catering.
Right, taxi lights off, please.
Yep.
Close enough. Okay, we've stopped. Marshall is happy.
Happy, yeah?
Park brake set. APU on the bus.
It is.
Shut down.
Alright. You go for it. Okay.
Let them out. Let me. Do you want me to do it?
Okay, you go for
Right, let them out. And then, and they all go off. They're all off. They're all off already.
it. Peters.
Peter's off. Very good.
Some air to the back.
APU's on, isn't it? Yeah. Put some air on.
So the back section stay auto, and then I'll open them.
Yep, that's it. And then we just wait for the ground power.
And the ground power you need to call it.
Okay. Oh, great. Okay.
Cool.
Power available.
Oh,
Oh, no, it didn't
Well,
work.
that didn't work. There it is.
There it
Oh, I've done that before. Plunged everyone in the dark.
oh, you
Yeah.
turn it off instead
Yeah,
of
yeah,
okay.
It's amazing how easy it is to do.
Everybody in the dark.
Right, and your flight brake, my flight brake, so everything else off.
You said something really weird, isn't it?
That's that then. So battery, they're off. And
The standby power you put off also.
no, I will leave that there because as soon as the
An
battery's
emergency light, exit light, you put armed.
off. Very good. Yep. Not armed. That's it.
Okay, so when you're ready, the battery off, and then
Yep, battery's off. Shutdown checklist. Or shutdown and security checklist.
let's do some lights.
Very good.
Electrical power is on ground.
Yep.
Bleed panel.
Set.
Fuel cutter levers. They are on
Yeah,
off.
off.
Anti-police lights.
Off.
The passenger signs.
Off.
Fuel pump switches.
Off.
Electrical panel.
Set.
Window heat switches.
Off.
Hydraulic pumps.
Off.
Exterior lights.
Off.
Flight director switches.
Off.
Park and brake.
Set.
The IRS switches.
Off.
The emergency exit lights.
Off.
Exterior lights.
As required.
Again, bleed air panel.
Oh, okay. Set.
And you start selected to both. You wouldn't do that.
No, no need. No.
If you're ground
No,
power,
yeah, all we do, we'd flick it to the other
to the
side.
side, yeah, exactly.
for the next flight.
If you're ground power,
Ground power is on.
DC AC selectors to standby power. You can do that
No,
now.
I'm not really
Then the battery switch comes off.
off. Good.
Okay, cool. That's it.
Do you want us to shut it down completely?
Yes, yes.